Good day, girls. Welcome back to Science 2 class. Let us continue with Chapter 8 Cell Biology and Biotechnology. In first part, we studied about stem cells, organ donation, and organ transplantation. Now, in second part, let us learn about biotechnology in more detail. Children, in earlier class, we have studied that biotechnology brings about artificial genetic changes and hybridization in organisms for human welfare. Cytology, biochemistry, molecular biology, and genetic engineering are different branches of science that are included in biotechnology. In the field of agriculture and pharmacy, major progress has been done due to biotechnology. Improving the agricultural yield, production of high-class varieties of crops, and suitable farm products through tissue culture are the aspects in which biotechnology is largely used. Pharmaceutical experiments to produce antibodies, vitamins, and hormones like insulin are taking support of biotechnological principles. The following areas are included in biotechnology. Using microbial abilities to form yogurt from milk and alcohol from molasses. By increasing the productivity of the specific cell to manufacture antibiotics and vaccines, etc. Use of biomolecules like DNA and proteins in human welfare. By techniques of genetic manipulations, the plant and animal varieties and products of desired quality can be obtained. By using entire cell or tissue, non-genetic biotechnology experiments are done. Now, what are the benefits of biotechnology? Increasing the per hectare yield of the cropland irrespective of the limitations. By development of resistant varieties, the expenses on disease control become less. Fast fruit setting varieties are developed that increase the per annum yield. Varieties which can withstand changing environmental parameters such as variable temperature, water stress, changing fertility of soil, etc. are created. These are stress resistant varieties. Let us look at the commercial applications of biotechnology. First one, crop biotechnology. Biotechnology is used in agricultural field to improve yield and variety. Hybrid seeds. Genes of two different crops are recombined to form hybrids of various crops. This is especially useful for fruits. Biofertilizers. The bacteria like Rhizobium, Azotobacter, Nostoc, Anobena, and plants like Azolla are used as biofertilizers. Next is genetically modified crops. Crops developed with desired characters by integrating foreign gene with their genome are called as genetically modified crops. These crops are resistant to diseases, alkalinity, weeds, other stresses like cold and drought. BT cotton, BT brinjal, golden rice are some of the examples of genetically modified crops. Herbicide tolerant plants. Herbicide tolerant plant varieties of crops are being developed. Due to this, it has become possible to selectively destroy the weeds. Biotechnology is used in animal husbandry. Two main methods as artificial insemination and embryo transfer are used in animal husbandry. It helps to improve both the quantity and quality of animal products. Biotechnology is also used in industrial products. Various industrial chemicals can be produced through less expensive processes. Biotechnology for human health management takes into consideration two important tasks. These are diagnosis and treatment of the diseases. Biotechnology is used to identify the role of gene in disease of a person. Diagnosis of diabetes and heart diseases can now be done even before the onset of symptoms. AIDS and dengue can be diagnosed within few minutes due to biotechnology. Treatment in such cases can be done at the earliest. Through biotechnology, medicines needed for the treatment can be manufactured. For example, with the help of bacteria, human insulin can be made now. The human insulin gene is incorporated in bacterial genome for this purpose. Various vaccines and antibiotics are also made in this way. Vaccines and vaccination. Scientists tried to artificially produce vaccines with the help of biotechnology. For this purpose, scientists produced the antigen in laboratory with the help of gene isolated from the pathogen and used it as vaccine. Thus, safer vaccines are being produced. Vaccines produced with the help of biotechnology are more thermostable and remain active for longer duration. For example, vaccines of polio, hepatitis. Now, edible vaccines are also produced with the help of biotechnology. Work on production of edible vaccines is in progress and presently potatoes are being produced with the help of biotechnology. These potatoes are called as transgenic potatoes. Consumption of these raw potatoes generates the immunity against cholera and the disease caused due to E. coli. Biotechnology is used to produce hormones like insulin, somatotropin, and blood clotting factors. Also, it is used to produce small size protein molecules known as interferon, which are used in the treatment of viral diseases. Gene therapy. All the cells except sperms and ova in the body are called as somatic cells. Gene therapy to treat genetic disorders in somatic cells has become possible due to biotechnology. Cloning. Production of replica of any cell or organ or entire organism is called cloning. There are two types of cloning. First one, reproductive cloning. A clone can be produced by fusion of a nucleus of somatic cell with the enucleated ovum of anybody. Thus, in this cloning method, there is no need of sperm to produce the new organism. Second method, therapeutic cloning. Stem cells can be derived from the cell formed in laboratory by the union of somatic cell nucleus with the enucleated egg cell. Various diseases can be treated with the help of these stem cells. Relation of environment and biotechnology. It has become possible to solve environment-related various problems with the help of biotechnology. Microbial techniques are used for treatment on sewage and solid waste. Bioremediation, biopesticides, biofertilizers, biosensors, etc. are some new concepts in biotechnological methods. Bioremediation means either absorption or destruction of toxic chemicals and harmful pollutants with the help of plants and microorganisms. If plants are used for this purpose, it is called as phytoremediation. Role of biotechnology in the production of food items. Food items like bread, cheese, wine, beer, yogurt, vinegar are produced with the help of microorganisms. DNA fingerprinting. In every organism, the nucleotide sequence in the DNA molecule is unique. DNA fingerprinting technique is mainly used in investigations of forensic sciences to establish identity of the criminal, to identify parents of any child in case of disputed parentage. In India, DNA fingerprinting is done at Center for DNA Fingerprinting and Diagnostics located at Hyderabad. Girls, read this lesson carefully. In next part, we will learn about important stages in agricultural development. Take care. Thank you.